Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. So Earth sign, alamin natin kung ano ang sitwasyon or energy mo. Just a reminder, Earth sign, this may or may not resonate with you, so don't take it personally. This is just a guide. Earth sign, ano ang iyong energy? Earth sign, you have Four of Cups, Judgment, Seven of Pentacles, the Hierophant. Okay, the Lovers. You have a strong sign of Gemini with the Lovers, a strong sign of Taurus with the Hierophant, an Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So tingin ko you are waiting for someone. Siguro sobrang tagal mong inantay yung person na ito. Somehow you have a commitment with this person, agreement. And finally, maaaring dumating na siya sa moment na hindi mo ina-expect. But you are not willing to accept any offers from anyone or suitors kasi you are waiting from someone. Meron kayong commitment sa isa't isa na siguro kahit anong mangyari, iintayin kita. Meron kayong napagkasunduan na kahit nasan ka man, long distance man ang relationship nyo, mag-aantay ako. And finally, there's a judgment. Dadating na ang pinaka-aantay mo. Finally, yung katagal-tagal mong inaantay, maaring meron ng judgment for that. Diba? This kind of energy saying na gaano man katagal mong inantay yung person kung kayo ay meant for each other, diba? Walang makakahadlang nun. Ibig sabihin, this is a kind of situation na worth the wait kung ituturing. Kasi hindi ka bumitaw sa commitment mo with this person. Hindi ka nagpadala sa so many offers sa'yo. Diba? Nakafocus ka sa kanya. You waited for this person to come around. And then finally, kung ano yung pag-aantay mo, matatapos na. Mag-e-end na. There's a judgment. Kung ano man yung napagkasunduan mo with your person, maybe this is a kind of relationship na matagal na kayo magkarelasyon at may pinagkasunduan kayo, kaya nagkaroon muna kayo ng moment na mag-ibang bansa or mag-iba ng lugar, nag-separate ways muna kayo, pero connected pa rin kayo sa isa't isa. Or this is something na parang yung ex mo, na ex-partner mo, maybe there's a marriage involved na nagkaroon lang ng naputo lang yung connection nyo sa isa't isa, pero you've waited for your person to come. So alamin natin. Earth sign, the moon, the Fool, Ten of Swords, Nine of Pentacles, Knight of Swords. Earth sign, there's a strong energy of Pisces with the moon. An air sign with swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Earth sign, you're trying not to consider yung offers kasi may mga bagay kang hindi ka sigurado. You have this kind of fear na paano kung bumalik siya? Paano kung yung moment na bumalik siya, bigla ka nagmahal ng iba? Diba? May mga bagay ka na parang takot ka na malaman yung totoo, kaya hindi mo na lang ginagawa. Takot ka na baka ma-failed mo yung person mo na pinakaantay mo kasi tumanggap ka ng ibang offers from someone. You have the moon. This is a kind of secret, hidden, kasi hindi mo alam. So you have this kind of feeling na takot ka kasi may hindi ka alam. May what if sa iyong buhay. What if kung may mga bagay talaga sa ating buhay na hindi natin alam kung anong mangyayari, pero hayaan mo na ang destiny ang mag-take ng action para sa iyo. Kung ano yung nafe-feel mo na dapat mong gawin, sundin mo kasi yun yung feeling mo. You have the Judgment and the Fool, finally. Yung matagal mo nang pinakaaantay, you've been waiting for so long, this is it. This is the time kung saan malaya ka na, there's a freedom, relaxation, yung parang wala nang burden, wala nang waiting. When you have this judgment in your life, pag nandito na, dumating na yung pinakaaantay mo, yung moment, right moment for you, you will feel this kind of energy na parang you're so relaxed and sobrang fulfilled sa buhay na walang inaalala. Kasi nga, andyan na yung pinakaaantay mo. You have 7 of Pentacles and 10 of Swords. Meaning to say, yung burden mo ng pag-aantay ng katagal-tagal, matatapos na. Mag-i-end na. Soon. You will have it. And the Hierophant and 9 of Pentacles, this is it. This is your partner. There's a union between you and this person na magbibigay ng so much success pag nagkatuluyan kayo, nagkasama kayong muli. 9 of Pentacles, fulfillment in your life. Parang pag nagtuloy-tuloy na yung inyong union, kung may marriage man yan, yun na yun. Yun na yung pinaka-achievement na makukuha nyo. You have the Lovers and Knight of Swords, di ba? Your person is taking action or you are taking action. For you to fulfill this kind of energy, a long-term commitment with the one you love. Taking action. Alam mo na ito yung nais mong mangyari sa buhay mo. You're taking a move, making a move. Diba? Hindi mo pinapasawalang bahala kasi nga, ang laki ng ininvest mo, panahon at oras mo, ang nilaan mo sa relasyon na yan. So, tignan natin ang masasabi ng angel guide. Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Earth sign, angel guide. There's success. There's a success para sa'yo. Ask for help from others. Diba? Kung kailangan mo ng advice, try to ask. Yes, it's a yes for you. Success and the yes, that's a positive energy. Meditation brings answer. Try to meditate, contemplate, para makuha mo ang sagot na nararapat mong makuha. And within the next few months, yung pagkatagal-tagal mong pag-aantay, within the next few months. Tignan natin ang masasabi ng Oracle for your energy, Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Earth sign. A time for healing. Siguro, wag mo nang isumbat yung nilaan mong panahon at oras. Di ba kung sakali magkaroon kayo ng argument, try to consider na parang effort mo sa inyong relationship. Time for healing. Yung sobrang pag-aantay, nainip ka, at some point, siguro, nagkaroon ka ng moment na mag-break, magpahinga. Dahil kahit papano, ang matagal na pag-aantay is something na bihira lang ang nakakagawa ng ganun. Bihirang tao lang. Iilan lang. Be bold and make the first move. But take action. Take time to breathe out. Diba? Just relax. The end of a tough cycle approaches. Yung katagal-tagal mong pag-aantay, mag-e-end na rin yan. Magkakaroon na ng final sa iyong sitwasyon. Show the world the real you. Finally, you will have the answer for your question. Finally, you will have yung bagay na pinaka-aantay-antay mo. So, thank you, Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you, Earth sign.